Many universities use animals to teach specific skills to students and conduct scientific research. This research can benefit animals or humans through nutrition or medical studies. The use of animals for research and teaching is governed by legislation. Institutions must be accredited to use animals, and this includes having an animal ethics committee to ensure compliance. At Charles Sturt University, animal use is taken very seriously. We follow the principles of the 3 R's: replacement, reduction, and refinement in all our applications to use animals. Academics must justify their need to use animals, explain how they minimise the number of animals used, and describe how they refine procedures to reduce pain or suffering. At CSU, we strive to replace animals with non-animal models whenever possible. However, there are times when animal use is necessary. For example, vet students need to work with animals to ensure they can provide optimal welfare for animals in their care once they are practicing. Here are some of the methods we use to reduce animal use at CSU. We use models to practice techniques before performing them on animals. For instance, students use a plastic horse to learn how to safely approach and halter a horse. A dog model for intubation and first aid techniques, and a sheep model to understand anatomy. Special cow models are used to practice assisting in carving. Skeletons are used to learn the different bones in the body. Silicone pads help students learn suture techniques and identify foreign bodies. And these models are easily manipulated and cleaned, promoting repeated use in various settings. Dead fish are used to practice inserting microchips, and bycatch is utilised for studies on parasites or diseases whenever possible. Animal cells or organoids are used for immunological research. As technology advances, our options expand. Future pathways being explored include the use of 3D printed models, virtual reality, and an increase in non-animal organoids in both research and teaching. To learn more about animal ethics at Charles Sturt University, visit our website.